Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling or disabling weather animations in the Yahoo Weather app. Whether you prefer a dynamic visual experience or a more static interface, we'll show you how to customize the app to your liking. First, open the Yahoo Weather app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left. Then, select Settings from the menu options. After that, look for the option labeled Weather Animations. Finally, toggle the switch next to Weather Animations to turn them on or off, depending on your preference. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully adjusted the weather animations in the Yahoo Weather app. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.